Hi guys. To say two females don't get on budgie wise, these two preen each other, they don't really fight, and they're living in the same cage. Not all the time, because they do fly outside of the cage. Sorry for the bumpy camera footage here. But as you can clearly see, they are about an inch apart. And one of them looks like it's actually going to go and preen the other one's back. So, if that's not two females getting on, I don't know what to say. But these two, I turn around and they're literally preening, they're regurgitating, because they're showing love to each other. I have no idea why. Because the one on the left hand side with the yellow face goes with the male in the living room also. And the female that's next to with the white face, that one also goes with other birds as well. So why they are so pally, I have no idea. Oh, we're moving. But apparently this is not supposed to happen. They're not supposed to get on. They're supposed to be at each other's throats and fight. I don't see any fighting. And they just do that. They just sit there. They sit next to each other and they preen each other. There is the occasional, you stepped on my tail, you're in my way, don't want you so close kind of thing. But otherwise, that is just exactly what we get. This is how pally they are. That does happen occasionally when she's not sure what the other one's doing. But yeah. So much for not getting on and being unpally. They're talking to each other, that's what that is. As you can hear the squeaking. But yeah. That is supposedly two budgies that don't get on. Seems fine to me. And you'll have to excuse the seed in the bottom of the cage that you can see down there. I'm going to clean that up at some point. It's what happens when they decide to chuck the seed everywhere. But they do have another seed feeder there. And also there, the brown one. It's clean otherwise. But as you can clearly see, whoops, that was my fault. They are getting on pretty well. See how close they are? And they usually get closer as well. I'm going to pull the camera out a bit because it's a bit blurry. But yeah. That is how close they can get. But they can get a lot closer than that. And if I open the door, they do that. Usually. Don't bother them much. They do come back down again. Sometimes just need a little bit of a nudge. That one is Pebbles. And that is Rosa. And she's now about a year old. The other one, about 4 months. Sorry if you heard a squelch just then. I've cleaned my bedroom floor and I have just stood in a wet patch. Hence what the noise with my foot is. But yeah, that's Rosie. I don't know why it's so washed out. I've just got a light.